Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. So today we're going to be talking about jewelry. I am a lifelong jewelry collector. I have a lot of different metal finishes, but I tend to favor gold. A lot of my jewelry are nature inspired, so I have things that are very celestial. So I'm really excited to share some new pieces from the partner of this video, Mint and Lily. They're a jewelry company that's all about premium pieces without the premium price, which we love. They cut out the middle people and work directly with factories to produce their jewelry, so you can enjoy beautiful jewelry without the high price. They have new pieces and collections that drop every month that manage to be trendy while also staying timeless. One of my favorite things about them is that they have a lifetime warranty in all of their pieces, which gives a lot of confidence when you're purchasing to know they've got you covered. The pieces are also nickel and lead free, which if you have an allergy, you know how annoying that can be. And they are life resistant, meaning that you can shower, sleep, and sweat in them because the pieces are designed to never tarnish, rust, or fade. And then I've given you an overview of how awesome Mint and Lily is. We're gonna get into the actual pieces. So one of the pieces that I'm wearing right here, I'm gonna save for last. This is my most sentimental and personalized piece. Unlike the other two pieces, which we're going to be seeing together because I wanted to save them for this video, I did open this one a little bit early so that I could get my boyfriend's reaction, who, along with my initials, it was personalized for. So we're going to get into this little beauty at the end here. But the packaging is absolutely adorable. Each piece comes in its own cute little white bag, and with the holidays right around the corner, it makes these perfect for gifting. And each piece also comes with its own little cleaning cloth, so it keeps it nice and shiny. So let's see which one we have here. This is one of the ones that first caught my eye. This is the star tarot necklace. So many details on this pendant. I love the contrast of the black and the gold. I'm obsessed with star everything. I love stargazing. In addition to jewelry, I also collect star clothing, so this was right up my alley. Each of the pieces are 18 karat gold plated, so it maintains that beautiful shine. And that gold is encased over waterproof stainless steel. I love tarot inspired jewelry because the detail that they fit into these small pieces is absolutely beautiful. So it's like wearing a little piece of art on your neck. So you're gonna see a theme in this video with my love of stars. Bonita. This is the enamel bangle bracelet. These beautiful little inlaid stars against the night sky of the bracelet. And one of the reasons I love cuffs is because they're so easy to get on. When I have bracelets where you need a hook, sometimes I need a little bit of assistance. But this is super easy. Very simple but unexpected with the little cute stars. It's simple and dainty, so it's really good for stacking with other pieces. Those details make it special to where it can really just shine on its own, literally and figuratively. Just, oh, those adorable little stars. Just the way it catches the light is so beautiful. And last but not least is the dainty pave initial tag necklace. So as you can see, I have two initials here. And it's the initials for my boyfriend and I. I'm a November baby, so I've got my citrine right here, A for Ashley, and a W for his initial. He was born in August, so I have a peridot. And when I was researching birthstones, it said that the peridot was known back in the early days to be associated with the sun. And super corny alert, but since I've met him, my life has definitely got a lot brighter. So the fact that this is his birthstone definitely suits him. And I actually was able to get his reaction when he first saw the necklace. I didn't give him any hints. I didn't tell him why I was showing it to him, and his reaction was very cute. Is there anything you noticed different about my outfit today?
Looks good.
Thank you. I like that answer. Thank you.
The necklace?
Maybe. You want to take a closer look at the necklace?
AW, like the root beer?
Like the root beer. What else?
Aw. Ashley and Will?
Yes.
Okay.
What are the stones you think?
Our birthstones?
Yes.
I like it.
Oh,
I think it's cute. I like it. A and W.
Like the root beer. Like the root beer. I love that the chain on this one also is a little bit different. Most of my necklaces have a flat circular design, but this one is a little bit more substantial, kind of like in a square gold shape for the links, which I think pairs really well with the look of the actual tags. This is another one that's beautiful on its own, very subtle. You can also pair it with another necklace for stacking. I just love how the personalization stands out really nicely. Definitely makes this a little extra special for me. So I highly recommend Mint and Lily if you're looking for some new jewelry pieces that you don't want to break the bank without sacrificing quality. I love the fact that these pieces are so versatile that I can incorporate them into any outfit, and if something does ever happen to my pieces, that lifetime guarantee definitely gives me a lot of peace of mind. So if you want to check out Mint and Lily, I do have a 20% off coupon code. It's ASH20, and I'll also have the shop link below in the pinned comment as well as my description box. With the holidays right around the corner, it's a perfect gift for yourself or for someone else on your list. Thank you to Mint and Lily for partnering with me on this video. These pieces are absolutely beautiful, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.